What's up guys, Chris here, and on today's adventure, we're in Madison, Virginia. Woo!
There were days where we thought we wouldn't make it out, but we stuck it out. Today's our day. Today's our day.
We got the John Deere out. We're going around the property.
No wind inside, nothing was right. Tonight's our night. Tonight's our night.
This property is 108 acres and it actually sold really quickly. The price, only $750,000 if you can believe that. Cool decked out barn, cool horses, and cool fun.
Now that property is awesome. We just hopped in the car. We're headed down to downtown Madison. Not sure how big it's gonna be, but let's go.
We were meant to be. We were meant to be.
So I came down here to the little Main Street area in downtown Madison, and not much going on here. There's a gun store open. Some of the restaurants are closed. The brewery down the street is closed.
Madison is in, you guessed it, Madison County, and the population is 229.
I'm halfway out of town. I'm about to get on the highway and head out when I see this bad boy. I just did a bunch of videos with horses, so I figured it was the perfect sign, and it led me down here to the Piedmont Deli, food to go. Sounds like they got some good sandwiches in there. Let's go grab one.
We were meant to be.
Went with an 8-inch turkey sub. It was only like $9. They wrap it up here for you. Comes with a bag of chips. You know I had to get 2 Dominion black cherries. You just go in there, they throw the lunch meat and the cheese that you can buy separately onto a sandwich for you. Not bad if you're just driving by and you want something really quick. This was made in like 5 seconds. And it's just a solid sandwich with some good cheese on it. I really like the cheese. It feels like there's like 2 chips in here. Let's check. All right, they're like mini chips. So yeah, just a solid lunch option. So thank you for joining me out here in Madison, Virginia, and I look forward to seeing you on my next DMV adventure.
We were meant to be.